What's going guys, Filip here, and today I'm going to show you how to get an emote menu for Twitch, which allows you to quickly send any emote of your choosing by just clicking, so you won't have to be able to remember all of them by heart. So it's really simple. Go to this site, I will link it in the description, and go down here and install one of these, depending if whatever browser you have. If you have Firefox, you need Greasemonkey or Scriptish. If you have Chrome, you need Tempermonkey. If you have Opera, use Tempermonkey for Opera. Install this first, takes about a second. Then go up and install this add-on or whatever it's called. I think it's called an add-on or app. I don't know. And that's all you have to do. Then go to your stream. You might have to reload the page. You'll get this little symbol or emote down here. Just click it and you get all of these emotes. Just click one of them and press enter, and there you go. So it's really simple. It works on all the streams as far as I know, and yeah, I haven't encountered any issues with it yet. I haven't used it for a long time, but yeah, it's very simple to use, very simple to download, and it gets the job done. So yeah, if you have any further questions or whatever, just leave a comment or send me a message. And yeah, thank you for watching. Gracias por ver. I wish you find it today, my dudes, and until next time, hasta luego.